Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you are ready for yet another lesson and that you are pumped and excited. Just a quick reminder, we are busy with mathematics revision and today's lesson is going to be a bit different from our subtraction or addition lesson because it's not a lesson for just specific one thing. It's a lot of things in one lesson, but we're going to keep it short and simple so that it stays fresh in your minds. Without any further ado, our first topic is going to be zero. And I want to introduce you to another character. But this character you will see is quite sad. But we will get into that a bit later. I first want to ask you to do something. Please cover your eyes where you are sitting. Are they covered? What do you see? Can you see anything? No, I see nothing. Now that is what zero is. Zero is nothing. Good job, friends. You may open your eyes again. Now, I said meet zero, and I said that he's quite a sad character. And the reason for this is he has no friends. He has no sweets. He has nothing. Now, before I go on with the list of words, I want you to get yourself a sweet that's in a wrapper. It can be a toffee or anything. Then I want you to open up this sweet and I want you to eat it. And then I want you to look at the wrapper. What is left inside of the wrapper? Nothing, because you ate what was inside. It's empty. There is nothing inside. There is zero sweets inside. Now, words we can identify with zero are nothing, zero, and empty. And that was zero. Say it was nice to meet you, Zero, and I hope you feel better soon. Now we will be moving on to our second topic, measurements. I want you to meet John. He is quite tall. Then I want you to meet John's sister, Casey. She is very short in comparison to John. So what we are going to talk about now is tall and short, the lengths of things. And what best way to explain to you measurement than using a story? And I want you to pay attention to the story, friends, because we're going to have to use the information in the story to help us choose an answer at the end. So make sure you listen. Claire and Tsebu share a table and sat next to each other in class. On Monday, they were busy with mathematics when Chris bumped their table when he was passing, leaving their pencils falling to the floor. Claire knows her pencil is shorter than Tsebu's. Help her choose which pencil is hers. Now, where do we see our information? In the last paragraph, yes. It says, Claire knows her pencil is shorter than Tsebu's. So can the long pencil be hers? No, friends, it's the shorter one. Good job. I want you to help me choose which giraffe is taller. Is our right-hand side giraffe taller? Or is our left-hand side giraffe taller? Help me choose, friends. Yes, the left-hand side is taller. Good job, friends. You are so clever. Our last topic is about more and less. And I want us to count quickly groups of sweets. So count with me. How many sweets do we see here? 1, 2. Yes. Let's look at our second group. How many sweets do we see? Only 1. Now, help me choose which of the groups is more and which is less. Is 2 sweets more or less? Yes, they are more. Is 1 sweet more than 2 or less? It is less. Now, friends, we can use different ways to determine more or less. We can do it by counting, or we can do it by prediction, only looking at something. With our next question, I want you to use one of the strategies that I just told you about. We can either count them or we can make a prediction. Now the question is, which jar is less and which jar is more? Now have a look at the jar. It's almost impossible for us to count all of these sweets because we can't see the sweets that are at the back of the other sweets. So here we are going to have to use the strategy prediction. Which jar is more? Yes, our left-hand side is more. Which jar is less? Our right-hand side is less. Very good, friends. Wow, friends, you did great, and I can't wait to see you next week for our language revision. Please remember that you can go rewatch all of these clips because revision is key. Take care, friends, and have a blessed weekend.